Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, the matter involving national under-23 footballer Kyle Butler and his father Craig came before the Kingston and St Andrew Parish Court on Monday. Now, the case arose from a much publicised dispute late last year when the younger Butler accused his father of physical abuse. Karen Madden has the follow-up.
It's a case of charges and counter-charges and two accused and two complainants. It started last November. In a series of tweets, Kyle Butler shared pictures of cuts and bruises he claimed were inflicted by his father. Craig Butler then accused Kyle of attacking him, resulting in both appearing before the Kingston and St Andrew Parish Court on Monday, charged with unlawful wounding. The judge heard arguments on both sides before referring the matter to mediation. But TVJ Sports has learned that Monday's court appearance did not go without incident. This after the younger Butler told the court that he wanted access to his father's house to retrieve personal items. But the elder Butler told the court that his son had no property in his house and would not be allowed in. This resulted in a short argument between attorneys Christopher Townsend, who represents the father, and Tom Tavares Finson, who represents the son. It was then proposed that Kyle's sister, who lives with their father, would check for any items belonging to her brother and take them to him. That proposal satisfied all parties. The judge also placed a gag order on both butlers, forbidding them from speaking to the media or making any social media posts. With both parties agreeing on mediation, the matter was again set for mention on March 11. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.